Now that you can access Westlaw and Lexis and other online subscription databases so conveniently on your laptop or by using apps on your smartphone or tablet, it might seem a little dated and inefficient to use paper resources. And for sure, there are definitely many situations when online legal research gives you the most current information and is the most efficient, quickest, and smartest resource to use. But there are lots of reasons why you should learn how to use paper resources. Let's start by taking a look at how practicing attorneys do research. According to a 2012 ABA Legal Technology Survey, 50% of attorneys said they regularly use print materials, and a 2013 survey compiled by the American Association of Law Libraries found that 26.9% frequently use print materials for legal research, 15.4% use print very frequently, and 33.9% use print resources occasionally. That's a total of 76% of attorneys that use print resources when they're doing research. Only 24% rarely or never use paper resources. But there are other reasons too. First, Westlaw and Lexis are very expensive in the real world. You might find yourself at a job, internship, or clerkship that doesn't provide access to Westlaw and Lexis, or limits your access. You might also find yourself working with an attorney who wants you to use both paper and online resources. Second, some district courts in Massachusetts don't have Wi-Fi access, so if you're clerking or interning at one of these courthouses, you may not be able to get online to do your research. Third, many treatise titles that practitioners rely on when they're looking into a specific area of law are only available in paper. For example, the Handbook of Massachusetts Evidence and these other titles are not available on Westlaw or Lexis. Fourth, for some of you, your LPS professor might require you to do some assignments only using paper resources. And lastly, sometimes it's just quicker to use books, especially when you're looking for relevant cases or statutes on a particular topic and you don't have a citation. So let's recap. You should know about paper resources because Westlaw and Lexis are expensive in the real world, and you might not have access to them, or your access might be limited. Some mass courts don't have internet or Wi-Fi access. Some important treatise titles that practitioners rely on are not available online. Also, your LPS professor may require you to only use paper for some assignments. And lastly, sometimes paper is actually faster, especially when you're looking for statutes and cases and you don't have a citation. To learn more about print resources, watch these additional tutorials on cases and statutes. And for more details, be sure to contact a reference librarian.